Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how to remote engine start this 2021 GMC Yukon and also how to use the cruise control and the infotainment system in this brand new Yukon. Before we move forward, please consider subscribing to my channel and also make sure to press the bell icon so that you never miss any video updates from my channel. So in order to start this GMC Yukon, here is the key for it, and if you see, there is a button given with a times 2. So all you have to do is just press the button 2 times and the car will start. Now in order to switch the car off again, all you have to do is just press that same button again, long press it or just press it once, and the car switches off. So in order to use the cruise control on this GMC Yukon, the controls are mounted on the left side of the steering wheel. Now the GMC Yukon has standard cruise control. In order to start using that, all you have to do is just press this button, and on your screen you will see that it is activated. So there is like a notification, and when you want to set the speed, you can press the set button at the desired speed, and on your screen you will see like the notification with the speed, which will say what speed the cruise control is functioning, and even on the heads up display it will show you the speed for your cruise control. And when you want to increase the speed, you can press this dial in the plus direction, and when you want to decrease, you can press the minus button. And when you want to resume the cruise control, if you've ever cancelled it, then you can just press the resume button and the cruise control will begin from that point, and then at that speed which you have set before. And also when you want to cancel the cruise control, you can simply press this button, and if you want to completely switch off the cruise control, deactivate it, then you can press this button and you can see on your screen it has been deactivated. Now the infotainment screen is a brand new infotainment screen on this 2021 GMC Yukon, and it is a 10.2 inch display that you see out here. Now the interface is actually pretty simple. So this is like the menus that you see, all the buttons given out here, straightforward. And the first thing that I want to mention is this front page, which has the navigation and also the radio controls and your phone. So whenever you're connected, it will show you all the messages and everything here. But also check out how snappy the whole system is. It's actually pretty impressive that way, because it just doesn't lag at all. Whatever you try to open, it just opens immediately. Now let me open the audio, so you can see the radio controls out here, and also you can change the Bluetooth, FM or AM from here, from that button. And it's just, if you want to adjust the sound, you can press this and then you can adjust all the sounds. And if you want to search some channel or anything, you can search from there. And if you want to select another station or something, you can do it from here. And this is like your home button. There are multiple ways you can go to the home button. There is one more button given out here, and then there is the phone button. Now that phone button, when your phone is connected, you can see all the options out here on your screen. And the navigation system is something which is pretty impressive on this one. Like, look at how snappy the whole system is. Like it actually moves and follows my finger that way. So this is what I love about this system. Like it's actually one of the fastest system that I've ever used. And the navigation, you can search different things on this. There are also shortcuts like your fuel, petrol station parking, or anything that you want to search for. And then we come to the Wi-Fi hotspot. So this car comes with its own set of data and Wi-Fi hotspot, using which it uses the OnStar services and everything. And also people can connect to this system using the inbuilt Wi-Fi system on this car. And then there are these users, so you can create user profiles, so you can set everything according to your taste, and then you can change all of it. And whenever you sit and drive this car, you can put that user, and then it will automatically activate all the settings for you. Then there is the detailed settings out here for, so let me come first to the settings, where you can change your time and date, you can change your language, phone, Wi-Fi networks, Wi-Fi hotspots, privacy, device, remote access, display settings. You can change all of it, and then also the voice commands and the favorites, and if there are any updates. So this car will get over the air updates, and then it will automatically do that for you. And the next option is the apps, which is your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay apps, and audio, climate, navigation. You can change every detail inside from here, every single detail from here, even for your audio, whatever tones you want, whatever warnings you want, any alerts, any audio settings, whatever, that you can change from here itself, and the phone settings out from here. So again, you can see what number you want to see, you can sort the contact list how you want, and then there is the finer settings for your vehicle settings. So rear seat reminder, if there is something in the rear seat, it would remind you actually. Then there is the climate and the air quality, so it actually removes and filters the air inside. And then there is also the auto defog, the rear defog. Then if you want the auto cooled seats automatically switched on, or the heated seats, you can do that also. And there is also the collision detection system, which is the safety system, so you can change all of that from here. Your park assist, tow bar, rear cross traffic alert, pedestrian alert, all of it. And then there is the comfort and convenience, where you can change all the chime volumes, your hands-free volume, the tailgate, the trunk control, the reverse tilt mirror. Even that, when you put the car in reverse, if you want the mirrors to, the side mirrors basically, to tilt down, you can do that also. Then the remote mirror folding, when you lock the car, it would automatically fold the mirrors. And there is also lighting. Then in the lighting, you can change the exit lighting, the follow home lights, and all of that. Then there is the power door lock setting. Then there is the remote lock, unlock, and start. So you can change whatever the particular keys do with the remote keys, and then you can customize that also from here. Then there is the ride height, and in that you can automatically entry egress, you can switch that on and off. And then the running boards, if you want them to be deployed or not, you can change that also from here. You can switch that off, or you can switch that on. And the seating positions, the suspension, you can change the suspension in service mode, so they would automatically go up, so they can be aligned, or whatever, they can be serviced also. Then there is a valet mode, so it would automatically reduce all your options and put the car in the valet mode, so that no one can change any settings when you give your car for the valet. And then once we come back, then there is the Apple CarPlay option, then there is the Android Auto option, and there is the app option, where you can search all the apps from here using the data given in the car, which is why you see the 4G LTE. And then you can search all the apps here, and then you can download and actually put it in this system. So this system has 18 GB storage inside this system, and then you can put all the apps and everything on it. And then there is the OnStart service. So OnStart service is basically a service that you can call on if you want any help. So if you want to find a restaurant, so if you want to find a petrol station, if you want to find any service that you want, you can call help from here, and the car would dial the number to the representatives, and you can speak and ask for help, whatever you want. If you are ever stuck, if you want anything, towing service, whatever you think of, it will help you with that. And anything around where you are, you can call for the services around you. And the next, when we move to the rear media, which is your screens which are mounted in the rear two seats, so you can switch the screens on and off from here, and also mute and change everything from here itself. Also, you can switch on the screens from the rear itself. And then there is the climate option, where you can change the climate from here, and also you can change using the buttons also. But it's also the on-screen feature. If you prefer that, you can change all the systems from here. And also you can control the rear air conditioning from this very screen itself. And then there is the camera option, which is such a nice option, because the camera on this GMC Yukon is just absolutely amazing. It's just so crystal clear and crisp. You can see every single thing, and you can change everything from here. If you want to see a zoom view, or if you want to just see the top view, or if you want the parking guidelines, and everything that you can change from here. And then there is the weather app, so you can switch that on, and then you can see the weather. So that is pretty much it in terms of the system. So which is why I was saying it's actually a very easy to use system. And then there are also shortcut buttons at the bottom for your music. Again, you can just switch on to the entertainment from here, or the phone, or the navigation directly if you want to go to. So again, fuel, coffee, ATMs, transit, leisure, dealerships, entertainment. There are so many options. There is shopping, there is attraction, there is so much things that you can do with this system. And because it's snappy, so you don't really have to worry about that going slow or anything. And then there is the climate feature again that you can access from here, and also you can change the clock settings from here by clicking the clock options, and then you can change the date, time, and you can set everything from here. And also if you press the 4G LTE option, you can go to the Wi-Fi hotspot feature again, and then you can connect the different devices to give the data hotspot too. So that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful in understanding how to remote engine start this GMC Yukon, and also to use the cruise control and the infotainment system. And also thank you for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if this video was helpful. If you want to subscribe to my channel, then you can click here, and if you want to watch more videos, then click here. I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.